What's happening, good people? I want to get into this Tumbler stuff. I just started Sublimating Tumblers last week. I'll probably do multiple videos. I got like a few subjects that I want to touch on to give you like a heads up or some tips or something. And this is a problem that I ran into. I was researching why my tumblers were coming out faded looking, and no title talked about a faded tumbler. You have to watch deep into these videos of, oh, they got a 25-30 minute video talking about how they sublimate tumblers. So you want me to sit for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes to figure out why my tumbler's color is faded. But I was researching faded tumblers. They want you to watch these long extended clips of how they do this and how they do that, and they explain. It's cool, but I'm looking for a specific point. Why is my tumbler coming out faded? And every last video that mentioned it, it all had to do with your settings, which is true. Time, temperature, and pressure. If those are messed up on anything that you're utilizing, heat, and you pressing a t-shirt, even camera settings, the exposure triangle, those three things all play a key role in your process. That's the difference between the and golly, that came out sweet. But I was having these faded tumblers, right? 6 of them come out that way. I ordered a whole nother set of 4 to test these and see. So I had 6 of them. I'm fighting with my settings and everything. I'm fighting with these servers like, what the heck is it? I can't figure out what it is. So it wasn't my settings, but I'm like they say, don't put it don't leave it in the oven or conventional oven for 10 minutes. You don't have to do 10 minutes. You do 3 minutes. You do 4 minutes. You do 5 minutes. You do 6 minutes. I'll make another video on that as well, and touching on that information. But on faded tumblers, this is what I got on 6 tumblers, no matter what settings I used. So I ordered 4 to test, and this is how it came out. Like, the color was on point. So I'm like, I figured out what the problem was. So if you are sublimating and it just will not work, whatever settings you use, check your tumbler. I ordered 8 skinny tumblers. So check your tumbler. Make sure your tumbler is a sublimation tumbler and not just a regular tumbler. So that might be part of your problem, because that was mine. If your settings and nothing else works, try that. And of course, it's about testing. So if you order 4 of them. I ordered 8 for the just regular tumblers. But well, why would somebody use a regular tumbler? That you can do that stuff and put your epoxies and all that and sticker vinyl, whatever else you're gonna put on there. That's just regular tumbler stuff, and those are cheaper. I got 8 of them for like $40, 40, 50 bucks. But I got 4 sublimation tumblers for 50 bucks. So you do the maths. But check that. If it's not your settings and all of that that's doing it, check your tumbler. So maybe they sent you the wrong tumbler. Maybe you ordered it. I just ordered the tumbler. I was looking at it like sublimation. That's what I was looking at. But I end up ordering just a regular tumbler. So watch that. Pay attention to that. Because that might be part of the issue. I hate dogs that live in an apartment over my head. They didn't live here when I moved in. And when they moved in, they brought them 2 big old horses up there, and I had to complain about these suckers barking and okay. Back to my video. If I can get back to my video. Stinking dog tap dancing over my head, and you hear his nails clicking, so I know you hear it. If I can hear it, this microphone can definitely pick it up. Okay, back to my video. If you hear dog claws clicking in this video, or stumbling, tumbling, all that stuff, I don't want to talk about it. Holla at your boy. I can't stand when people say, "It's your boy." You ain't my boy. I don't know you. You sucker. It's your boy. What's my boy's name? What's my name? You don't know. Your boy. Or people say, "I'll see you in my next video." Will you? Really? You gonna see me in your next video, or am I going to see you in your next video? It's like people say that. You know what it is. That's another one, man. You know what it is. If I knew what it was, sucker, I wouldn't be watching your video. Knucklehead. You know what it is. No, I don't know what it is. But that's why I'm listening to you so you can tell me. Stupid. Like, oh, man. Oh, people, they say, everybody and their mama been on YouTube, right? By now. Everybody and their mama been on YouTube. It might be one person on the face of the planet ain't been on YouTube yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Yeah, I get it. And I also get tired of hearing you say it. Like, people want to like or subscribe. The buttons are right there up under this clip. If you want to like and subscribe to something, it's right there. But some people you have to tell that too. But like every video, you like, don't get like, don't get like. I don't want to like and subscribe, man. I just want to watch the flipping video. I've been nothing.